this video, we will show you how to install door rails and door rail braces on your polytunnel, which are used to support the door frame and doors. We will start by fitting the door rail, then the door rail braces. Here are the parts you'll need. The door rail spans across the width of your polytunnel on the end hoops. Door rails are supplied in two pieces. One is 3.41 meters long and is flattened at one end and plain on the opposite end. The second piece is 1.2 meters long and is flat at one end and swaged at the opposite. Connect the tubes together by locating the swaged ends in the plain ends. Secure the two pieces together with self-drilling screws 4 cm from the joint, ensuring that both flattened ends are in line. Fit a Q-clip to one side of the hoop approximately head height. Locate the flat end of the assembled door rail to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure in place. Position another Q-clip on the opposite side of the hoop. Locate the flat end to the Q-clip, push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure in place. We need to ensure the door rail is level. Place a spirit level on the door rail and adjust accordingly. Once the door rail is level, firmly tighten the nuts on both Q-clips. Now we will fit the door rail diagonal braces. Door rail diagonal braces span from the door rail to the central ridge. There is one diagonal brace per end. Door rail diagonal braces are 61 cm long and are flat at both ends. Fit a Q-clip to the central ridge. Fit another Q-clip to the door rail. Locate one end to the Q-clip on the central ridge and loosely secure in place with a bolt and nut. Now locate the opposite end to the Q-clip on the door rail and firmly tighten. Adjust the Q-clip so that the door rail is level and the diagonal brace is not pushing the door rail down nor pulling it up. Then firmly tighten the Q-clip. Now we will fit the door rail vertical braces. Door rail vertical braces span from the door rail to the end hoop. There are 2 door rail vertical braces per end. Door rail vertical braces are 61 cm long and are flat on both ends. From the ridge clamp, measure 40 cm along the hoop and fit a Q-clip. Locate the flat end of the vertical brace to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and firmly tighten. Now fit a Q-clip to the door rail. Locate the flat end of the vertical brace to this Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure it in place. You may need to lift the door rail up to do this. Ensure that the door rail vertical braces are not pushing the door rail down nor pulling it up. Once you are happy with the level, tighten both Q-clips. Repeat this on the other side. Repeat this process to fit the door rail on the opposite end of your polytunnel. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel at construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.